Hello sweetie, I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a dragonfly. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Nanny Julie and you won't miss my new lesson. Also, you can download my coloring book. All links in the description under the video. Now let's look at the picture. My dragonfly is stylized, so we see her big cute eyes, small head, oval thorax, long abdomen, small legs, and rainbow wings. Now, let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the eye. Choose spot on your paper you like. I'll start over here, right in the middle. Draw a big circle. Then another circle inside. Okay, great line. Then let's draw two small ovals on the top right side on this circle. Then let's color the inner circle with black, leaving the ovals white. Then we're gonna draw the head. I start over here on the left side of the eye and draw a big C shape. Then we're gonna draw another eye and draw a small C shape over here. Oh, you're doing great! Then draw another small C shape inside this shape. Then let's add two small ovals for highlights and let's color it. Then let's draw a smile U shape in the middle. Oh, I like your line! Keep it up! Now let's draw the thorax. Draw sideways U shape over here. I start over here on the bottom of the head. Draw a curve and connect with the eye. Then let's draw abdomen and draw a big rainbow shape. Now let's add some stripes inside the abdomen. Now it's time for its legs. Draw 3 ovals over here inside the thorax. 1, 2, 3, and let's color it. Then let's draw another legs over here under the eye and draw 3 C shapes. 1, 2, 3. And let's color it. Now let's draw the wings. I start over here on the top of the eye and draw upside down U shape, big U shape. Then let's draw upside down G shape over here. I start right here and draw an upside down G shape. Oh, you're doing great! Then let's draw the same thing on the left side. I start over here on the top of the head and draw sideways U shape and connect with the eye. Then I draw sideways G shape. I start over here and connect with the head. That's the way to go, you did it! Your dragonfly is so cute! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram or Facebook. Tag me in photo Nanny Julie art. Also, you and your parents can download my coloring book. All links in the description under the video. Now let's coloring together. You can choose any color you like. Now I add blush. Draw C-shape over here on the left side of this eye and backward C-shape over here on the left side. And let's color it. You can choose any color you like. My dragonfly will be gray. Tracing. And coloring inside. Tracing. And then coloring inside. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Then tracing again. And coloring inside. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. I want to have a blue stripes of the thorax, so I'll color it blue on top. Light blue mixes with gray and we will get a beautiful dusty blue. I also want to color the wings in rainbow colors, so I will add 3 lines. Here, 1, 2, 3, and the same thing on the left side. 1, 2, 3, and 2 lines over here. Let's count. 1, 2. 1, 2. I choose red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. The first color is red. Tracing again. Try to stay inside the lines. Then coloring inside. Tracing again. And coloring inside. Then I choose orange. Tracing again. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. Tracing and coloring inside. Then yellow, tracing and coloring inside. You can choose any color you like. Green, tracing and coloring inside. Tracing and coloring inside. Then I choose blue, tracing again and coloring inside. Tracing again and coloring inside. Oh, you're doing great! Then I choose indigo, tracing, and coloring inside. Tracing again, violet color. You can also add eyelashes if you want. 3 short lines over here and over here. Wow, what a wonderful drawing! I like your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and private drawing lessons for kids. See you! Bye bye!